So I ask everyone to believe it. I see a gentleman tonight here, he's been here every night. He is still asking the question of the devils, the Lucifers, all the delusions of the world. Put them all together, they are personified as the devil. Because what devils a man more than his prejudices, his delusions? What was more of the devil for that man when he carried that hate in his heart for a race of people and a faith? Because the Jew, although they call themselves a race, you can be a Jew and be born in China, born in India, born in darkest Africa, born in any part of the world, and not look like an Oriental Jew. Born in Germany, blonde, blue-eyed Jew. So it's a faith, the faith of Abraham, in the fulfillment of Christianity. So I say to him, the devil of Scripture is simply the complete personification of all the delusions that one day God in His infinite mercy will burn away from us, testing us in these furnaces of experience. And when we are tested and they're all burned from us, then we are reduced to pure, pure gold. And the imagery is perfect, for that's exactly what you see. Now you have no more delusions. No one can persuade you that because of the pigment of your skin that you are better than, or because that you speak a certain tongue that you're better than those who speak what to you would be a foreign tongue. Like I said to my friend who just graduated, it has his PhD now from UCLA in ethnic music. Well, he began to describe to a friend of mine what he meant. And the friend was all carried away. He is a professor of ethnic music. And then my friend who has the PhD had to explain to him, do you know that our music here is ethnic? If you were in the Orient and you spoke of the American music, that's ethnic. You speak now of the Thai music, well, to us, that's ethnic music. And so he was completely stunned with this use of the word, which is only, well, where are you living? But that's ethnic. You have your own ethnic music. We have ours. And here in this fabulous thing of ours, we have one book that never, never grows old. Yes, a word will change its meaning, and tomorrow's scholar will try to find the meaning that the author originally had and bring it back with a new printing, a new edition. But he tries to keep the meaning, the original meaning, and the book is everlastingly new. There's no need for another Bible. We have the Bible. So there's no need for another teacher. You have the Bible. No need for another God. You have the Bible. No need to go elsewhere. You have the Bible. And the Bible is all about you. In the role of the book, it is all about you. Every word is written about you individually. And the promise is all to you. And so when your heart is purified, not by your efforts, but by God in you, which is the one who actually became you, He purifies you. As it's pure, like pure gold, that very moment you will ascend. And after you've ascended, waiting for that final departure from here, you still can't look into the mirror and call yourself any different. You still love, you still enjoy company, you still enjoy the things of Caesar. All the things of Caesar while you're wearing the garment which attaches you to the world of Caesar. For this garment is an animal garment. And as an animal garment, it is fed by the food of the animal and on the food of the animal. Until finally, in the very last moment, you take off the animal and leave it forever. For you rise then in spirit, for you've been born of the Spirit.